Hi friends, how are you? You hanging in there? Harold, are you hanging in there? Some days, they're just harder than others. Sometimes it feels like the sad feels linger all day long. Do you think maybe we could make a craft to make us feel better? Alright, well, today on Quarantine Crafts, we're going to be making Quarantine Zines. Some things that you're going to need for this project are a rectangular piece of paper, scissors, and some things to decorate with. Gather your things and let's go make this. Take your rectangular sheet, fold it long way to long way. Crease it and open it back up again. Now you're going to go short way to short way and give it another fold. Give it a crease. And now you're going to take each side and fold it in half again. Another crease. Flip it and do the same for the other side. Now open up your two flaps. Cut from here to here. Now take these flaps, bend everything together. You should have a shape like this. Take any of the pages and bring them together. And now you're ready to decorate. A few things that Harold and I like to do with our quarantine zines is to fill it up with things that we want to do when we're all safe to go outside again. Or fill it up with some nice things about yourself. So then when you're feeling really crummy, it's a nice little reminder. We also love sending these out to our friends and family so that they know how much we love and care about them. Have some fun and let us know how you use your zines in the comments below. Be safe out there, and Harold, thanks for joining me today.